Hello students, how are you all? So today I am going to continue with my same lesson, that is the climate, soil, natural vegetations and animals of Karnataka. So we were seeing about the soils of Karnataka. So in the last class we seen about the red soil and the black soil. Today I am going to explain all about the laterite soil, coastal alluvial soil. So this first let me explain all about the laterite soil. So this kind of soil is found in the areas which receive heavy rainfall and have heavy temperature, water soluble lime and silica dissolved in rainwater and settle down in the lower areas, layers. Iron, aluminium, which are non-soluble, remains in the upper layer, means which can mix in the water, they will go and settle in the lower layer. So which can't, non-soluble can't mix, they will be in the upper layer, and this soil becomes soft during rainy season and dries up during summer season, leading to the formation of the laterite rock. This rock is used for the construction purpose, and the crops which are cultivated in this soil, that is cashew, coffee, tea, cardamom. Cardamom is what? Elaichi, pepper, rubber, coconut and other commercial crops. Do you know what do you mean commercial crops like cotton, sugar cane and all? Crops are grown in this soil that is in the laterite soil. And which are the districts this laterite soil is available? That is in Uttara Kannada, Udupi, Dakshina Kannada, Kodagu, Chikkamangaluru, Shivamogga, Belagavi have more of this soil. This soil that is in a laterite soil. The next one, that is in a coastal alluvial soil. So this soil is very fertile. You can see near the coastal areas. This type of soil is formed along the coast due to the deposition of the alluvial and sediment. Do you know what do you mean by sediment? Sediments, those are formed of the plants, some small rocks, clay, sand and all, and carried by river and sea waves. So this soil, it is like example like plants, small rocks, sands, clay. What happens? They'll be depositing and settling. Depositing means carrying by water, wind, sea waves, and then deposit in the other places. And because of these particles are there in the soil, so it is very fertile. Carried by rivers and the sea waves, such as this coastal districts of Karnataka, like in which all the places you can see, like in Udupi, Dakshina Kannada and Uttara Kannada have this type of this soil. This soil consists of the sand and the clays, and it is very rich in organic. Organic means organic soil. Means what? In this, if you want to grow crops and all, pesticides free, no adding extra pesticides like fertilizers, manures, chemicals. Nowadays what the people are doing, putting all these things in the soil and they grow the crops and all. It is called as pesticide crops, non-organic crops and all in the sea. And organic means without adding any kind of chemicals, anything, they will grow the crop. It is called as an organic cultivation. And it is called pesticide free, no adding extra things and all, chemicals, pesticides, fertilizers and the crops you can grow in this soil, that is paddy, cashew nut, coconut, areca nut means I already said you all, that is called as a betel nut, supari, and banana and other crops grown well. So this is about the coastal alluvial soil. So this is about the soils of the Karnataka. And natural vegetations. Without any effort of humans, many plants and trees are growing widely like that. This is called as a natural natural vegetation. So when you go to forest areas, though anyone is going and putting water and all, what to grow the plants and all, no, they are depending on the rains and all. So it's called as a naturally they are grown. It's called as a natural vegetation. So let me give the introduction. And the various kinds of plants and trees grown naturally are referred to as a natural vegetation. Karnataka has a rich diversity of plants. Diversity means that varieties of plants, species are found. Now when we go, varieties of plants and plants species play a very important role in preserving the ecological balance. The trees provide timber, wood, firewood, raw materials for the industries and all, and medicinal herbs, honey, bamboo, etc. So many things will get naturally. And the forest being the habitat means it's a home for the wild animals. Can be seen the tiger, lion, cheetah, elephant, deers, peacocks in the forest of the Karnataka. And why Karnataka? Everywhere can we see, but particularly we were studying about the Karnataka itself only. So in the forest of the Karnataka, many animals, variety types of and many wild animals, many plants and all we can see in the forest and all. Like that only wildly they are grown. No one are going and putting the effort in growing the plants and all, trees and all. No one are going and taking the care of the animals. Like that only they depend on the nature to grow. So it is called as a natural vegetation and all. And we have seen the varieties of plants are growing naturally like that only without the human effort and all. And the wild animals also, it is a habitat, home, as a home for the animals. And the forest of Karnataka also plays of the entertainment and the tourism spots and all. Especially the main important tree that is a sandalwood is a special tree grown in the forest of the Karnataka. They are popular all over the world. They do the import and exports of this sandalwood tree, and you can see this sandalwood. And then with the sandalwood, they make the perfumes, they make the soaps and all. They even use in the medicines and all. Yes, and also these are the things many parts of the world they are exporting and all. And this is the reason why the Karnataka is called as the land of sandalwood, because abundantly we can see the sandalwood tree is growing in our Karnataka. So it is called as the land of the sandalwood. As an student, and the sandalwood used to make the perfumes, used to make the soaps and all. Yes, so these are they also used for the medicines also. So this is just an introduction of the natural vegetation, but like that only without any human effort and all. The naturally the plants are growing, and the forest area is a home for the animals. Many animals are living in the forest areas, and this forest will give they're preserving the ecological balance. They're providing the timber, wood, raw materials for the industries and all. So these are the things we are seeing. So in the next class again I'm going to continue with my same lesson. I hope you all are understanding, students. Thank you.